Hi everyone, I'm Elena, and welcome back to another AI tutorial video brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today, I'll be showing you some exciting features in Runway. Runway is a powerful editing suite designed to help you generate social media content for your business. In this video, we'll explore Runway's image-to-video editing tool. Imagine having your own video production studio online and free. So let's dive into Runway and check out this amazing tool together. Here's my Runway account. As you can see, it has a bunch of AI tools you can use for your videos, images, and so much more. Today, we are going to use the text/image to video tool. Here is the image to video tool in Runway. You have the option of dropping your own image in, or you can use text to image to video, which today I will be using that. Let's type out our prompt, which I am going to do puppies playing in the yard. Now we're going to want to hit the light bulb button, which generates a longer prompt with more description on how we may want our image/video to turn out. I'm going to take out this last sentence it provided and press generate. This will only take a few minutes to generate. It has now generated our text to video, so let's give it a play. Let's say we wanted to extend this image. We'll hit the extend button. You can also hit the motion brush if you want to add some more motion to the video on certain objects. I'm gonna brush over some of the flowers in the yard to give it more motion. Now we'll press extend, and it will generate our new video. Now it has regenerated our image with the suggested edits we wanted. It is now 8 seconds, and let's take a look. Remember, this image to video editing tool is just one of the many fantastic tools Runway has to offer. Stay tuned for next month's video on trending AI marketing tools.